The first football game in front of fans at this marvelous new facility in Inglewood. It's SoFi Stadium. It's the preseason opener for the Los Angeles Rams. The ball teed up. Matt Gay approaches it, and we are underway in the preseason. Daniel looks to check it down. Right side Kelly behind the line of scrimmage makes a man miss at the 10, but is taken down by Lawler at the 13-yard line. Bryce Perkins calls for the shotgun snap. Looks middle, surveys, throws, back to the end zone. Caught under the uprights. Touchdown LA! Tristan Jackson gives the Rams the lead. A 4-yard touchdown reception from Bryce Perkins. Stick in the shotgun. Stick now feeling the pressure from his backside, tries to get away, stumbles, throws. Is it a fumble?